hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you've accidentally deleted important messages on WhatsApp, don't worry, there are ways to recover them. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Check your backup setting. Open WhatsApp and go to Settings. Tap on Chats, then Chat Backup to see when your last backup was made. This will determine if you can recover your messages. Step 2. Uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp. To start the recovery process, uninstall WhatsApp from your device. After that, reinstall it from the App Store. This will allow you to restore from the backup. Step 3. Verify your phone number. Once you've reinstalled WhatsApp, open the app and verify your phone number. This is crucial for linking your account to your backup. Step 4. Restore from backup. After verifying your number, WhatsApp will prompt you to restore your chat history from the backup. Tap on Restore to recover your deleted messages. Step 5. Check for missing messages. Once the restoration is complete, check your chats for the messages you thought were lost. If they don't appear, it may be due to the backup not including them. Remember, if you haven't backed up your messages recently, you might not be able to recover the most recent ones. Good luck, and I hope you find those messages.